Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are making the spiral staircase friendship bracelet, and when I got this cord it was already this length, so it was like I'd say about a meter in length, and then it was folded in half and knotted at the top. And so I'm going to show you guys how to make this bracelet today. This bracelet has about 5 different colors, but you can definitely use like 1 color, 2 colors, however many you want, and then just alternate them. And so I'm showing you guys how to do the knot here. This one's like, you can do a forehand knot, which is just the opposite of what I'm doing here. This is like, I think it's called this must be called a backward knot because I'm doing the 4 backwards, but you can also do it the other way where you'd have it actually look like a 4. And then you just go underneath and through that kind of 4 section. So yeah, anyway, I will speed this up and I will put some music to it, and hope you enjoy. So here I'm just accentuating the 4 a little bit more so you guys can kind of see how to do the knot. That's it for today's video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.